Why I hate Facebook ads. Okay, so it's a love and a hate relationship that I have with Facebook and their advertising platform because I love the results that I get from them. I love that I can advertise on Instagram as well. I love the cost, but I hate them at the very same time because they are such a pain to work with. First of all, they are a gigantic billion-dollar, multi-billion-dollar business that does not have phone support. You can't call anybody at Facebook just to be like, hey, why did you shut down my ad account? Hey, why did you shut down and turn off and delete my entire Facebook fan page? Why? You know, they will not take phone support. And it's like, guys, you're making way too much money to not have a little bit of phone support. And that's a pretty big frustration of mine. But they will accidentally shut down your ad accounts left and right. They're robots. I don't know, the robots are pretty dumb, I guess. They're low paid robots or something because constantly I'm getting an ad account shut down, I appeal it, and then the ad account gets turned back on. This has happened with 2 clients about 4 times now. The same ad account has been shut down and then we appeal it and it turns back on. So that makes me believe that it's their mistake, not our mistake. And when the ad account is down, not only does it cost money every day and lost profit, but it also costs time in me having to reach out and figure out why and talk to support and stress, right? It's very frustrating. So I hate Facebook because they are policing their ads a little bit too much. They are bad about just flipping the switch. They just flip the switch. If they don't like your ad or something you said, or I don't know what it is, they don't even tell you. That's another reason. They don't even tell you why your ad account was shut down or why this particular ad is denied, or their reasoning is so vague. They can't give you just information. So it seems like they're in a battle with their advertisers. Instead of being on the same team as their advertisers and trying to help their advertisers spend more money and get great results and be phone supportive, it's like they are it's like they hate their advertisers. They hate the fact that they have to run ads because they're making it so hard for their advertisers to spend money with them. So I hate Facebook and I love them. I love them because ad platform is pretty easy. You get great results, a lot of creative options, an easy way to build relationships with thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people all in one place, right? Love them for multiple reasons, and you can probably guess why, but hate them for so many more reasons. So it's definitely a tug of war that I have because I'm just so frustrated with the platform and I can't do anything about it. I have to keep going to them. My whole business depends on, if you don't know, I run an internet marketing agency and we run Facebook ads for a lot of our clients. A lot of our clients are Amazon sellers and e-commerce sellers, and Facebook ads are like those businesses' main way of getting customers and getting their current customers to buy from them again. And then if you don't know about the whole messenger bot stuff, they're about to change this whole rule and make it a 24-hour rule that you can, you get a new messenger bot subscriber and then you can only communicate with them within 24-hour window. And then outside of that 24-hour window, you have to have 4 specific reasons, and usually those 4 reasons are complete BS. You're not gonna be within those 4 reasons. So basically, you're not gonna be able to communicate with your subscriber after paying Facebook money to acquire that subscriber. So another reason why I hate them. But yeah, it's just their red tape is all over the place with running your ads, and then mistakes are everywhere. The platform is super glitchy. I just had to get this rant out because I'm sure you can relate that if you're a Facebook advertiser, you hate them, but at the same time, you do love them. You have to do it. I mean, where else are you gonna go, right? Google doesn't offer the same type of functionality that Facebook has. Yes, there's LinkedIn and Pinterest and Snapchat, and just cross off Facebook and Instagram, right? And there's not many other options. So you pretty much have to do Facebook ads in order to grow a business these days, right? And then if one thing could happen, then I would probably appreciate Facebook a little bit more. If Facebook could get a phone support system and pay the couple $1 million or maybe $100 million, whatever it's going to cost them to get some phone support, that would solve so many more problems. And maybe they need to fix their freaking bots and their little, automated bots that just shut down accounts for getting one ad denied needs to be changed up, but that's my rant. Anyway, if you're a Facebook advertiser and you're trying to get better at running Facebook ads, then you gotta get access to my 100% free digital marketing course. Go to freebosslifestyle.com to get access to this free course. I got a ton of Facebook ad tutorials, messenger bot tutorials, how to write sales copy, how to build sales funnels. Then you also get some free templates. So I give you a free messenger bot template and then a couple of free ClickFunnels templates, sales funnels, things like that. So again, go to freebosslifestyle.com if you want to get access to that course. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the thumbs up button if you agree with me, if you hate Facebook, but at the same time you do love them. Leave a comment below with any questions you have. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.